Hey guys, and welcome back to Mad About Skin. In today's video, we are talking peptides, an absolute favourite topic of mine. I don't think I've skipped a peptide application in the last 3 years, and I would never be without them in my skincare routine. But the eagle-eyed amongst you might have noticed that some brands have started to pull their peptide products from shelves. Other brands have reformulated their long-standing peptide serums, and this has got people asking a lot of questions. Well, the good news is, it's not because there's any issues in the peptide market or anything like that. It's just that technology has advanced a lot, and so brands are really wanting to bring cutting-edge formulations that we can really benefit from. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you all the changes and why they're happening, and most importantly, what I think are the very best cutting-edge peptide serums if you're looking to elevate your anti-aging routine. Sit back, relax, let's talk all things peptide serums. Now, in today's video, I'm going to share with you my own perfect peptide options, if you could call it that, but I want to hear yours. What are your go-to peptides you use most frequently in your skincare routine? Sound off in the comments section below and let me know. I really do appreciate your recommendations because they shape the products I try out and review in the future, so thank you all so much. Whatever your favourite peptide happens to be, if you enjoy this style of content where I bring you the up-to-date information, my favourites in a completely sponsorship and paid partnership free way, then the best way to let me know and to support me is by reaching down, give the video a big thumbs up and a like. The more likes the video gets, the more widely YouTube will distribute it on its platform. So just from the bottom of my heart, love to each and every one of you. Now, without further ado, let's cut that waffle and delve straight on in. So, peptides. They're nothing new when it comes to skincare. They've been around for years. They come in many different forms. You have your traditional serums, you have moisturizers. You even find peptides in sunscreens these days. And peptides work in a multitude of different ways. Now, things have definitely changed in the peptide market. If you look back to, say, 5 years ago, most of the peptides that we were using were single peptides. You might have bought the ordinary Azuraline solution, for example, a great peptide, but it is just one, a serum which focuses down on one single peptide, which of course has limited benefits because it's just one peptide. You then moved on to some formulations where brands were looking to incorporate maybe a couple of peptides into a moisturizer, but generally doing so in lower concentrations, which meant we weren't really harnessing the very best results. Well, cut to 2025, I think brands have finally got the memo. When it comes to peptides, it's just best to formulate with a range of different ones to harness the benefits and the power of all of them. And you need to use peptides in a high concentration. They need to be there in a meaningful dose in that product in order to get the best results. The reason for this is peptides can be a little bit tricky, a little bit pesky on application, and they don't all find their way to where they need to be in order to deliver the results. So you get some wastage, whatever product you reach for. So if you use a high concentration of peptides in a formula, that just increases the chances of the maximum amount getting to where they need to be in order to drive that anti-aging. And so you're seeing a lot of brands now formulate with higher percentages and a blend of different peptides, and that's really what's changed. The products that seem to be pulled from shelf most recently are those which focus down on one or at best two different peptides. People just weren't buying them anymore. We now know as consumers, the more the merrier when it comes to peptides. And so brands are saying, okay, well, it's not selling. We're going to stop making it and we're going to maybe go back to the drawing board. And that's where you're seeing a lot of reformulations. Take, for example, Medik8. Their world famous liquid peptides is now liquid peptides advanced. They've increased the concentration of peptides, they've added some growth factors, and that's definitely a reformulation for the better in terms of results and what us, the consumer, is actually going to deliver. So in today's video, I'm going to make it super easy for you. You might at this point be thinking, I'm completely baffled and overwhelmed when it comes to peptides. What do and don't I do? Well, I never want that to be the case. I'm going to break it down for everyone. We're going to focus down on the very best peptide serums that offer a blend of different peptides in sky-high concentrations that are really just going to take the stress out of choosing the right ones for you guys. Something for every budget and every skin concern or target area. And hopefully I'm going to make it as simple as possible. If you did have any questions at all at the end of this, sound off in the comments below. Ask your question. I reply to each and every one of your comments every day, and so get your question answered. So when it comes to all-round phenomenalness in peptide serums, I think one of the very best on the market is the Geek and Gorgeous Power Peptides. Now, I've spoken about this on the channel extensively before, but this actually has 4 key peptides in a 24% concentration. So you've got a quarter of the entire serum is peptide driven. And that's what I mean by a good strength, a good concentration of these key peptides. But Geek and Gorgeous haven't just picked any old peptide off the shelf. I thought we'll put a bit of that in, put a bit of the other in. They've specifically chosen 4 pro-collagen peptides. These are the ones that are going to boost collagen and elastin production in the skin for great anti-aging. As we age, the collagen levels in the skin go like that. So we need to use things like peptides, like retinoids, to boost that collagen back up again. And the 4 peptides in here do just that. It's beautifully affordable. It's kind of unique in its application because it has a very emulsion-like consistency. So very lightweight, sinks in like that. So if you're someone that's tried a peptide serum in the past and thought, ooh, this is a bit greasy, maybe a little bit oily, that's not your vibe, you'll love this. Sinks in without a trace and it's just beautiful. I think for the price point, we really shouldn't be asking any more. Geek and Gorgeous, affordable, cruelty-free, fabulous formulations, and this is definitely, I think, one of those up-and-coming, soon-to-be a viral hit peptides that just about everyone could benefit from. Now, I'd say the Geek and Gorgeous, we're starting off with a great all-rounder. Will suit every skin type, every budget, every skin outcome that you're looking to achieve. Just a great all-in-one product. But if you're someone that really wants to hone in on your anti-aging, what you need to be doing is using the Geek and Gorgeous Power Peptides or a similar product on a morning. And then on an evening, you're going to want to incorporate a copper peptide. Now, copper peptides are a specific subset of peptides which really boost forward that collagen and elastin production. And I covered a lot of them in a little bit more detail in a separate video, which I will link up there. Copper peptides on an evening, and then you use your other peptides on a morning to really harness the maximum results. Now, copper peptides can be a little tricky. They don't really like to be paired with a lot of other active ingredients, meaning it can become a bit of a minefield. So I recommend to everyone opt for an encapsulated copper peptide because that encapsulation provides like a shield around those copper peptides, protecting them. So you can use them alongside literally anything. If you want to take the stress out of your copper peptides, go encapsulated. And there's 2 recommendations that I always like to make. First up is one from my own brand. This is the Mad About Skin Copper Peptide Serum. This has a high dose of copper peptides, but also other peptides alongside it. You've got your zearaline, your matrixyl, you've got your pro-collagen peptides. This really does increase a little bit of everything when it comes to performance. Your total peptide concentration in here is 20%. So again, sky high to get the maximum results. And you've got a 3% concentration of those copper peptides as part of that. That's really going to help double down on that collagen boosting benefit. But because they're encapsulated, you can use them alongside anything. Now, I personally use this on an evening, and then I'll use the Geek and Gorgeous or another peptide blend on a morning. But because this has a beautiful blend of peptides anyway, if you want to keep it simple, use this morning and evening and you will be absolutely fine. You'll get those copper peptide benefits on an evening, you'll get those zearaline matrixyl benefits on a morning, and this really could be a one and done if you're looking to streamline the number of products you have. Now, if you did want to give this a go, we've got 2 cheeky deals running at the moment. The first one is a 3 for 2. So if you put 3 in your basket, at checkout, you'll only actually pay for 2. If you put 6 in your basket, you'll only actually pay for 4, and so on and so forth. That's great if you're looking to stock up. You might want to share some with a friend. If you're somebody that just wants to try one out, give it a try, experiment with it, then I've also linked a straight up 25% discount code in the description box below, just helping you guys to lower the cost of your skincare without compromising on the results. A great option, keeping it super simple with that encapsulated copper peptides, meaning you can use this alongside anything, morning, night, mix it with your other peptides, whatever you want to do. Another great encapsulated option is the Naturium Multi-Peptide Serum. This is a product that kind of led the way with that encapsulation, one of the first products to really harness it, and will always have a place in my heart for that. It's beautiful. Again, you've got that copper peptides alongside your other peptides in encapsulated form. Another great product that you could absolutely use morning and evening, or just on an evening and then use another peptide for your morning. It's really up to you. Very similar to the Mad About Skin product I just shared, similar price point, and for me is a really great option. Naturium are known for driving that innovation, and they definitely did so with this product, one of my absolute favorites. Now, I'm going to take you on a little bit more of these are all great affordable options. I think we started strong with some great affordable options, but now I want to take it like the next step further. If you don't mind paying just a little bit more, this is what you could get in terms of your advanced peptide options. So I spoke earlier about the Medicate Liquid Peptides Advanced, and I'll cover it in a bit more detail now. This is a phenomenal option that takes their original liquid peptides, which was a bestseller in its own right, and adds growth factors to the mix. Now, growth factors are phenomenal. Again, another subset of peptides, like copper peptides, but they're great because they're really driving forward that collagen and elastin production. They're relatively new in terms of skincare, certainly mass market skincare, and they're getting a lot of hype at the moment. Again, I covered them in a separate video, which I'll leave a link to up there. The Ordinary Growth Factors is probably the best-selling growth factor serum on the market, but that uses plant-based growth factors. In terms of the Medicate one, these are ones which are compatible with human skin, and so you're just going to get more enhanced results for using them. Now, this isn't the cheapest product out there, but if you want to get your peptide and your growth factors fix all in one serum as a one and done, I think this is probably one of the very, very best on the market. And Medicate they're a fabulous British brand that just seem to be doing everything right, which is why I'm always happy to praise them. Yeah, definitely a powerhouse for anti-aging. It's rare to see the growth factors and the peptides all together in this concentration, which is what I love. If you like the original liquid peptides, you're gonna absolutely adore the advanced version, like double the results, and it's such a beautiful product. Now, I'm going to end on what I think is the highest percentage concentration of peptides I have ever seen in a product, and that's the Theramid Derma Peptide Serum. They have a copper peptide serum in their collection too, if you're interested in that, but I think this Derma Peptides one is kind of where the holy grail is at. It's the one in the purple bottle that you'll see on the screen here. 35% concentration of peptides. This also has growth factors in, a lower concentration of growth factors as in the Medicate one, but still a decent amount in there. So if you can't afford the Medicate price point, this will be a really good option to go for, getting your growth factors and your peptides all in one. And the blend of peptides in here just is what makes it so special. You've got your matrixyls. You've got your matrixyl synth, which is like a new generation of the original matrixyl. You've got some patented peptides in here that are specific to the Theramid brand that are specifically targeting hydration and collagen production in the skin. So if you want to look plump, you want your skin to look juicy, bouncy, and radiant, this is a really good option. I think I've only ever bought one bottle of it. I've got another one on order. I loved it that much, but it's a newcomer to my skincare routine, but I fell in love on first use. I think I literally just bought another one. I think I paid £28. So really not expensive when you consider peptides in a 35% concentration and growth factors. This is a phenomenal price point. It's a phenomenal product, and I love the purple. I know packaging, I'm someone that is very much drawn to nice packaging. I love this. It's a pump applicator. If you like your pumps on products, you'll love this. Yeah, there's not really any downside to this product at all. I would say if you're somebody that prioritizes concentration when it comes to peptides, this will be a no-brainer and you will absolutely love it. Theramid, just a great brand that I'm falling in love with every single product of theirs. And this is something really special. Today I just wanted to outline why you might be noticing some peptide serums being removed from shelves. You might see some reformulations. Normally as consumers we see that as a negative thing. Nobody likes a reformulation, brands messing with our holy grail products. But in this case I think it's actually a good thing. Brands have realized that when it comes to peptides we want higher concentrations. We want multi-active formulas. We want those growth factors, peptides, copper peptides all blended together. You can of course just stick to your single peptide serum, but I would say why? When you can use multiple different peptides together to harness the individual benefits of each one and elevate your routine. It's often the case that these products don't actually cost more than their single peptide equivalents. So for the same price, you can really kick it up a notch in terms of the results that you're going to see. And hopefully this video has helped you do just that. Sound off in the comments section below with your personal peptide recommendations, those that you want to shout about and recommend to everyone. And let me know if you've got any peptide questions. I just want to take the chance to say thank you. We're halfway through 2025. I don't know where that time has gone, but thank you to each and every one of you that's been with me on this journey this year. We're growing all the time as a channel, and it wouldn't be possible without the love, the kindness, and the support that you guys show me every single day. So if you've made it this far, if you're part of that bitter end crew that makes it through the waffle to the end of these videos, make sure to let me know. Leave like the hand wave emoji down in the comments section below to let me know, because I'd like to personally reply and thank each and every one of you that makes it to the bitter end with me. Wherever you are in the world, guys, stay safe, stay well, and love your skin. Take care. Bye.